Welcome to Lê Thánh Tôn Primary School. Hello, my student. How are you today? I am so excited to see you again. So, today we will study the new unit, Unit 9. Will it really happen? Let's move on. Would you like to listen to the song before we study? Yes, I know you love to. Now, let's listen and enjoy the action song. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing your arms.
Swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me. I'm so happy.
Oh, so happy. Sing with me. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I'm so happy. Oh, so happy.
Sing with me.
I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Clap your hands. Stomp your feet.
Swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me. Jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me.
Did you like this song? It is great, isn't it? Now let's learn the new word. Show me your finger. Let's use your finger and point to the new word. Then repeat.
Listening 77. Listen and point. The future. Travel. The sun. Planets. Rocket. Astronaut. Star. Spaceship. Listen and repeat. The future. Travel. The sun. Planets.
To make sure you understand what the new word means, I have a small exercise for you. Read the below sentences carefully and guess which word is correct. I have 8 sentences, and you use the word about to fill the correct answer. 3 minutes for you. Do you have your answer now? Let's check together. Number 1. Go from one place to another. This is travel. Number 2. These people travel in space. That means astronauts. Number 3. Things that will happen later, not now. That's the future. Number 4 is long and things and carry astronauts. We have astronaut rocket. The rockets carry astronauts. Number 5, the Earth is one. That means the planet. Number 6, the big ship that travel around in space. Spaceship. Number 7, so it gives Earth light and keeps Earth warm. That's the sun. And the last one, they shine in the night skies. We can see the star in the night sky. Do you have the same answer? Very good. Continue. Go on. Let's observe the 4 pictures and get what they are talking about. 1 minute for you. Observe the picture. Now listen and read.
Listening 78. Listen and read.
Listen, Amy and Leo have to go back to Australia. Oh no! Will they miss our vacation? No, they won't. They'll be here for another 4 months. Max, did you hear what Mom said? Yes, but look at this. It says there will be super fast planes, and it will take less than 5 hours to fly from the USA to Australia. That's very fast. Will it really happen? Well, the magazine says it will. So in the future, there won't be any more long plane trips. That's good. Long plane trips are boring. Mom, can we go on a super fast Australia for the weekend? Well, there aren't any planes like that yet, but maybe one day.
After reading the story, I have two questions for you. Let's look at picture number 1. After their mom talked on the phone, what did she say? Very good. So, Amy, Leo have to go back to Australia. So, Holly thinks they will miss their vacation, but why did their mom say no? Good job, because they will be here for another 4 months. Look at picture number 2. What did Mark talk about? Excellent. There will be super fast planes and it will take less than 5 hours to fly from the USA to Australia. For that reason, in your opinion, do you think will there be super fast planes in the future? Maybe yes, I agree with you. I think so too. And today we are going to talk about the future tense in affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. Firstly, in affirmative sentences, we use wills to talk about the future. When we make predictions or to make offers and promise. For example, number 1, people will travel in the super fast planes in the future. So I use will and travel. Will travel in the future. Number 2, it will rain tomorrow. Will rain tomorrow. That is make predictions. So I get tomorrow will rain. Number 3, I will help you with your homework. I will help you with your homework. So will help you. So this is make offer. I will help you. Number 4, he promises he will study hard. So he promises he will study hard to make his mom happy. Now let's practice. I will give you some activities. Go to the moon, watch TV, play guitars, help my mom do homework, go to Dallas, cook, or any activity you know. And some time marker in future tense: tonight, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, next summer, winter, on Monday, Tuesday, soon, and later. Now you will make the future sentences. For example, I use the activities help my mom. So I have a sentence in the future tense: I will help my mom tonight. Or you can choose the activity you like. I will watch TV tonight. Or I will go to Dallas next week. And now your turn. I give you 1 minute to practice. Have you finished it now? I know you can do it. It's very easy, right? Let's go. Secondly, in negative sentences, we use will not to talk about the future. We add not behind will. For example, I will not go to Nha Trang next week. Or they will not play football this afternoon. We will not go out in 2 weeks. Besides that, we should also remember the contracted form. The contracted form, that means we can use the short form if you don't want to use long form. For example, in affirmative sentences, so we say I will play. This is the long form. You can say the short form or contracted form like I will play. Next, he will play. We have he will play. The same, we have she will play. We have she will. They will play. We have they will. We will play, and we have will. This is a short form. We say this is a short form, or we can write in the short form. Continue. The contracted form in negative sentences, we have will not, and the short form or contracted form we say won't, or we can write won't. For example, he will not play it, and we have he won't play. She will not play. She won't play. Exactly. Continue. So now let's your turn. It's your turn. We also have some activity and the time marker in the future tense. You will make the sentences in the negatives. For example, I won't watch TV tomorrow. I won't watch TV tomorrow. Or I won't cook tonight. She won't cook tonight. Or my mom won't cook tonight. He won't play guitar on Monday. He won't play guitar on Monday. So that's enough. Let's practice by yourself. 1 minute for you. It's very easy, isn't it? Let's go on. Finally, in interrogative sentences, or we can say the yes-no questions, we have the structure will plus subject plus verb. For example, we have the interrogative sentences or yes-no questions. So the yes-no question, you answer the yes-no answer. For example, will you go to the party tonight? Will you go to the party tonight? So if you give the yes answer, you can say yes, I will. This is a long form. You can answer the contracted form like yes, I'll. Yes, I'll. The second, will they miss our vacation? So the similar, if you give the no answer, you say no, they will not. No, they will not. This is the long form, and the short form or constructed form we say no, they won't. No, they won't. And the last one, will she wear a pink dress tomorrow? Will she wear a pink dress tomorrow? So if you give the yes answer, you can say yes, she will, or yes, she'll. If you give the no answer, you say no, she will not. And the same, we have no, she won't. No, she won't. Is clear now? So, to make sure you get the knowledge, let's make some questions and answer. For example, will he go to Dalat next week? Yes, he will. Or you can say, no, he won't. Or one more example. Will the people go to the moon in the future? Yes, they will. Now your turn. Try to practice. 1 minute for you. Time's up. It isn't difficult, isn't it? Yes, I also think that. Let's move on. What have we learned today? Let's review. So, I have some exercise for you. Now, you look and write you will or want. Let's go. Number 1, I stick have the picture of the robot. Very good. And I have a sentence. I will have a robot. Number 2, it's your turn. He and Bart travel to another. This is the picture of the planet, exactly, and in a rocket. Good job. So you have a sentence. He won't travel to another planet in a rocket. The last one. So this is the picture of the astronauts. Very good. So the rocks go to the sun or to the star. Very good. We have a sentence. The astronauts won't go to the sun or to the star. Perfect. I'm proud of you now. The last exercise. So, Lang will go to the school trip tomorrow. Lang will have a school trip tomorrow. So there's something she needs to remember to take with, and something she doesn't need to take with. Now look at the questions and give me the answer. Number 1, will she take her lunchbox tomorrow? Number 2, will she take her school bus tomorrow? Number 3, will she take her raincoat tomorrow? Number 4, will she wear her school uniform tomorrow? Let's think. It's easy to do the exercise, right? Now let's correct together. Number 1, will she check her lunchbox tomorrow? This is the lunchbox and she remembers to take it. That's the answer is yes, she will. Number 2, will she take her school bus? This is school bus and brought. That means she knows she won't. Number 3, will she check her raincoat? And this is the raincoat. The answer, yes, she will. And the last one, will she wear her school uniform? That means no, she won't. She doesn't need to take the uniform. Do you have the same answer? Congratulations if you give the same answer. I'm very proud of you. That's all for today. Try to remember and practice more the new word and the future tense. You can practice in the student book page 65 and 66 and the workbook page 60 and 61. If you want to do more exercise in Unit 9, you can sign in sub-classroom with the last course OXULC. Or you have any questions, you can contact me through email zenlylinks@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. See you again. Goodbye.